Adding a comment to a document is similar to writing a note in the margin. You can use Word's Comments feature to add suggestions, notes, or reminders to your documents. Comments appear in boxes at the side of the page, and here's how to do it. First, select the text to which you need to add a comment. Then, select the Review tab. In the Comments group, click the New Comment button. When you're finished, click outside the comment box to close it. Now anyone else viewing the document will see what you had to say about it. But there's also a shortcut wherein you just select the text you want to add the comment to, then right-click in the document and select New Comment. To delete a single comment, click on the comment you wish to delete, then go to the Review tab and click on Delete under the section Comments. If you have many comments and wish to delete all of them at once, click the drop-down menu next to the Delete button and then select Delete All Comments in Document. And that's how you insert or delete a comment in a Word document. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.